Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Bluehost for affiliate marketing. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with installing Bluehost for affiliate marketing, first, navigate to the Bluehost website. On the homepage, look for the Get Started button and click on it. You will be presented with several hosting plans. Choose the plan that best fits your needs and click on the Select button. Next, you will need to create a new domain name. Enter your desired domain name into the provided field. If you already own a domain, select the option to use your existing domain. After that, fill out your account information in the required fields. This includes your name, email address, and payment details. Once you have completed the account setup, read through the package information. You can choose additional extras if desired, such as domain privacy protection. When you are satisfied with your selections, click on the Submit button to proceed. Following this, you will receive a confirmation email from Bluehost. Log into your Bluehost account using the information you just created. Once logged in, find the My Site section on your dashboard. Click on the Create Site button to start setting up your website. You will be prompted to enter your site name and tagline. Once you have entered this information, click on the Next button. Select the desired domain for your new site and click Next again. Bluehost will then install WordPress automatically. This may take a few moments, so be patient during the installation process. When the installation is complete, you will receive a confirmation message. You will also see your WordPress login credentials. Make sure to save this information for future reference. To access your WordPress dashboard, click on the Log into WordPress button. From the dashboard, you can begin customizing your site. You can choose a theme that resembles your brand or style. Install essential plugins for affiliate marketing by navigating to the Plugins section. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.